A very good morning to our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Uma Shastri, all the teachers and my dear children. On the occasion of this Children's Day, myself, Shabana Javed, would like to express a few words about great celebrations of independence called Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav has been initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 21st March 2021 from Sabarmati Ashram and flagged off a 75-week-long celebrations to commemorate the 75 years of independence. Due to this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we have this golden opportunity to revive about the history of our freedom struggle. We, the teachers of our Bharati Vidya Bhavan's BHEL, salute the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters and soldiers who made the dream of independent India a reality. Let us once again turn the pages of our history and pay tribute to freedom fighters and great revolutionaries of our freedom struggle. Thank you.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known to his followers as Mahatma or the Great Souled One, born in 1869, was an Indian lawyer. His non-violent resistance helped India to end British rule. Kasturba Gandhi, born in 1869, married to Mohandas Gandhi in 1883, was an Indian political activist.
मैं कस्तूरबा गांधी, जब तक गलती करने की आज़ादी ना मिली, उस आज़ादी का कोई मतलब नहीं। जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद।
हम लड़ेंगे ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ी अपनी आज़ादी का उत्सव मना सके।
Rani of Jhansi, born on 1828, was a pivotal figure in the Indian Revolt of 1857. She is regarded as one of the greatest freedom fighters of India.
किसी को भी नहीं दूंगी।
Tara Rani Srivastava was part of Quit India movement. She and her husband were shot dead by police when they were leading a march.
Quit India, quit India, भारत छोड़ो।
जय जवान, जय किसान।
Lal Bahadur Shastri was born in 1904. He was an Indian statesman and served as second Prime Minister of independent India.
I am not as simple as I look.
Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, born in 1903, was a social reformer and freedom activist.
ये नमक हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है। नमक सत्याग्रह जिंदाबाद।
Begum Rokeya, born in 1880, was regarded as a pioneer of women's liberation in South Asia.
नारी शिक्षा देश की रक्षा, नारी शिक्षा देश की रक्षा, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
Chandrasekhar Azad, the original name Chandrasekhar Tiwari, was born in 1906, an Indian revolutionary who organized and led a band of militant youth during India's independent movement. He believed in freedom that propagates equality and brotherhood.
दुश्मनों की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे। हम आजाद ही रहे हैं, हम आजाद ही रहेंगे। यदि कोई युवा अपनी मातृभूमि की सेवा नहीं करता है तो इनका जीवन व्यर्थ है। मैं जीवन की अंतिम सांस तक अपने देश के लिए दुश्मनों से लड़ता रहूंगा। जय हिंद, जय जन्मभूमि।
Aruna Asaf Ali, born in 1909, active participant in Indian independence movement, widely remembered for hoisting Indian national flag during Quit India movement, Bombay.
Who is not courageous in life cannot accomplish anything in life. Quit India. Let us hoist the flag. Quit India.
Yashodhara Dasappa, born in 1906, Gandhian, social reformer and a minister in the state of Karnataka.
मेरा भारत महान वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
मैं राजेंद्र प्रसाद इस देश का सेवक बनकर आया हूँ।
Dr. Rajendra Prasad, born on 1884, was an Indian independence activist, lawyer and the first president of independent India.
इस देश को अंग्रेजों से मेरा गुजारिश है कि वो हमारे देश को छोड़कर अपने देश वापस हमारे देश की 80% जय जवान जय किसान।
Sarojini Naidu, born in 1879, a poet and was prominent figure in India's struggle for independence.
If you are stronger, help the weak. भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद।
अपने आप को आजाद रखने के लिए पढ़ाई करो। पाठशाला ही इंसान का सच्चा गहना है।
Savitri Bai Phule, born in 1831, was a poet and she is regarded as first female teacher of India and also as the mother of Indian feminism.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇಕು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ. I will not pay the tax.
Rani Chennamma, born in 1829, was Indian Queen of Kittur in Karnataka, one of the first female rulers to rebel against British rule. Kanaklata Barua, born in 1924, was shot dead by British police while leading a procession bearing the national flag during Quit India movement.
ये भारत को छोड़ो, ये भारत हमारा है। वंदे मातरम।
इंसानों को तो मारा जा सकता है, उनके विचारों को नहीं।
Bhagat Singh was born on 1907, popularly known as Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. He popularized the slogan Inqilab Zindabad, which became the slogan of Indian armed struggle. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, born in 1900, she was the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly.
Not for the timid. Quit India. Quit India.
Begum Hazrat Mahal, also known as Begum of Awadh, born in 1820 and is known for the leading role she had played in the rebellion against British East India Company.
और ये मस्जिद तोड़ने नहीं देंगे। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
Alluri Sitaramaraju, born on 1897, he was a brave son of motherland India who sacrificed his life in order to make his country free from the clutches of British.
అల్లూరి బొందిలో ప్రాణమున్నంత వరకు నా భరత మాత మీరు ఇంచు కూడా కదల్చలేదు. జై భరత మాత.
Uda Devi was a warrior in the Indian rebellion of 1857 who fought against the British East India Company.
अपने किले को हासिल करने के लिए पूरे फौज के साथ इस किले पर आक्रमण करने के लिए आ रहे हैं। इसीलिए मेरी जितनी भी महिलाएं हैं वो सब तैयार हो जाइए, पूरे वीरता और शौर्य के साथ इस युद्ध में शामिल हो। हम जीतेंगे। जय भारत माता की, जय मां बुनिया देवी की।
Bhikaji Kama, born in 1861, was one of the prominent figures in Indian independence movement.
I call upon you gentlemen to raise and salute our Indian flag of independence. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Also known as Lokmanya Tilak, born in 1856, the British colonial authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest.
भारत माता की जय। स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है, इसे लेकर ही रहूंगा। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
Durgabai Deshmukh was born in 1909. She was the founder of Andhra Mahila Sabha. She was a lawyer, social worker, member of Constituent Assembly of India and of Planning Commission.
पुरुष के समान है। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi, the third Prime Minister of India, the first and to date only female Prime Minister and also the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. मेरे खून का एक एक कतरा मेरे देश के काम आएगा. Basanti Devi, born in 1880, was an Indian independence activist and post-independence she was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 1973. Ammu Swaminathan was born in 1894, a social worker, political activist and a member of Constituent Assembly of India.
Now we can say that the Indian people themselves formed the constitution. They have given equal rights to women with every other citizen of the country. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind!